Hello, my dear friends. I'm about to give you a free gift. It's a sample video from my patreon.com site, and it is a mini mentoring session. You'll get one of these every Friday, just as a little teaser, a little taste to see what it would be like to get one of these 5 days a week. If you decide you'd like to have one of these mini mentoring sessions 5 days a week, ad-free, go to A Better Life with Flylady Kat at patreon.com, patreon.com, and sign up. It's only $5 a month. You get 20 videos a month, and they are designed to give you a kick in the pants first thing in the morning. It's set up so that you can see them first thing, so you can watch them in bed even before you get going. It's designed for payroll and at-home homemakers, and it will help you with the way you think about the way you're doing life and doing the Flylady system. So I hope that you go over and check out my Patreon site. While you're there, look at all of the other opportunities that I have for you for mentoring. We do personal one-on-one mentoring. There are different levels of that. And also I offer this year in 2022 financial mentoring. So if you need a budget, if you would like to be financially independent, now's the time to sign up for that as well. Okay, have a wonderful day. Enjoy the video. Patrons, today we're talking about energy or energy drain. Do you know that when you do your program, your Flylady program, it actually gives you energy? And when you don't do it, it actually drains your energy? That is something that I've noticed with my fly babies, that when they're exhausted, when they just can't put another foot in front of the other, that means they haven't been doing their Flylady program, because you don't get exhausted from 15 minutes of decluttering. You don't get exhausted from 10 minutes of deep cleaning. You don't get exhausted even from 1 hour of a weekly home blessing hour. Unless there's something, like if you're ill, that's different. But I'm talking about a healthy woman is not exhausted by doing the Flylady system. It is the stress and anxiety of the day, the pressure of not getting things done, that cause you emotional exhaustion, and it makes you feel like you can't do anything. So I want you to remember that in the morning when you get up and you do your morning routine, you're going to get energy from that. So if you need energy, get up and do your morning routine. If you need more energy, do your laundry. If you need more energy, do your paper routine. If you need more energy, do the basic weekly plan item. If you need more energy, do your zone. If you need more energy, declutter your house 3 times a day. Clutter checks. If you need even more energy, then great. We can do our after dinner routine and our before bed routines. And we can go to sleep on time and get up in the morning on time. All of this is part of the system. So I want you to remember that if you are drained, if you are exhausted, if you are pooped, if you are frozen, it's because you haven't been doing your routine. And I know many of you tell me, I'm off the track, I'm off the boat, I'm still floating, I'm barely dragging along, and I'm glad that you're getting back on. But if you want your train to pull into the station, it can't derail. If it derails, you've got to get that train back on the tracks. If you want to get where you want to go, which is having a clean, decluttered home, having that beautiful holiday season where you are in control, having your budget in control, having the right groceries on your shelves so that you have the food to make that your family loves, having if your vacation planned, having your money saved for that, all of that comes from doing these little baby steps that give you the energy. So just think, if your house is tidy and you wake up in the morning and you make your bed and you do your morning routine, it's a peaceful thing because there's not junk everywhere. And when you go and you look under the sink to put something under there, you can say, oh, we only have 1 more roll of toilet paper in here. I better put that on the list. You're organized. You can put it on your list. You can put it on your my spiral notebook's on the floor. You can write it on your spiral notebook. You can then put it in your list to go grocery shopping, or you can put it on the list on the refrigerator. Excuse me, I'm very thirsty. If you notice this environment that I'm in, this is my bedroom at my parents' home. Hold on. I haven't been making videos here because I like to give my parents my full attention. However, we've had some changes. My sister Patty is not able to participate for 6 months. She can't drive, she can't work. They're still trying to determine if she has had a seizure or she has a heart problem. So she's going through some testing, and Marty and I would rather her not work at this time. So Marty and I are taking over, so we're here a lot more, so I'm going to be doing some videos here. And I know that it's not ideal for you guys. I'm doing my best, but I hope that it's okay for you. All right. And you can see I have no polish on this hand, some polish on this hand. Things are a little bit apart, falling apart a little bit, but that's okay, because you know what? That's life, and it happens to all of us. I actually had nail polish on this hand this morning, but I chewed it off at one of the doctor's appointments I was at today, because I took my dad to the doctor, and then I took my sister Marty, who has rheumatoid arthritis, to the doctor, all the while calling to check on my mom to make sure she stayed in bed and that she ate the things I provided for her, praying the dog wouldn't mess up the house. That's what's been happening today. So it's just life, and it happens to all of us, but the best thing to do is just say, you know what? I am healthy. I am the healthiest one. My sister Marty's probably going to have a major surgery on her left hand, getting her joints replaced, getting her fingers straightened out, getting some bone removed. And then when that's healed up, she's going to have to do the right hand. And so just keep Marty in your prayers, as well as Patty. I really would appreciate it. But I just wanted to tell you, the reason I'm telling you this is not to share their private things, but to share with you that everyone has stuff in their lives. Everyone. And in the meantime, I'm here 24/7, and I'm going to be here for 7 days. And when Marty has her surgery, I'm going to be here a little bit longer. And that's okay. Hopefully Marty can come here, and I can help her recover by keeping her in bed and putting ice on her hand and, you know, helping her while I'm taking care of the parents. That'll be a really great idea. I hope that happens. Anyway, my whole point is that you just have to say, you know what, I'm healthy, I'm strong, God gave me this for a reason, and I'm doing the best that I can. I'm very blessed with a wonderful husband who understands. All three of us girls have husbands who are very understanding and are kind men, so we're very blessed. But I just wanted to share that with you so that you can say to yourself, you know what, everybody has something. Everybody has something. I was just watching Friday Night Lights. I don't know if you know what that is, but it's a series on like Hulu about some kids and their high school football games, and you know they're all the drama that goes with that. But one of the things that I noticed about Friday Night Lights was somebody had a baby, and they also had a teenage daughter. And the teenage daughter was so mad because she had to do so much. Meanwhile, the mother was just dropping over because she was doing so much with a brand new baby and a teenage daughter. So everyone thinks that they're doing the most. And you know what? You're not. There's always somebody who has a lot more to do than you do. So you can do this. You can, and you'll feel better, and you'll have more energy if you do it. If I panned around this room right now that I'm in, I'm not going to do it because it'll mess up my focus, but my bed is made. Everything's tidy in here. The clothes are hanging neatly in the closet. The kitchen is cleaned after dinner. We had a nice dinner that was planned. The laundry that I planned for today is done and dried and folded and put away. It's just the way it is, and the clutter's been picked up. So you just do what you have to do, but know that it's going to give you that much more peace and more time to do the things that you want to do. What I want to do is make these videos for you. And so now while my parents are watching television, I've slipped back in here in the dark, and I know that, you know, like I said, it's not ideal. I bought a new light, and unfortunately there's little circles on my glasses, and I apologize for that. But I wanted it to be lit up so you could see while I'm talking to you. That would be nice. But anyway, I wanted to just share with you that you can get energy from doing the Flylady system instead of griping and not doing it, okay? All right, that's it for today, my patrons. I love you so much, and I really, really enjoy talking to you. I love your feedback. I love your suggestions for videos. In fact, I think Sheena, let's see who asked for this one. Yeah, Sheena asked for this one, energy or energy drain. So thank you, Sheena. I would love some more suggestions for videos, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a beautiful day, and always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.